Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can create an account inside blockchain.com. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, of course, first things first, you want to head over to the official website, which is blockchain.com. And if you did not know, you will be able to buy crypto assets inside this website. They also have some crypto wallet if you need to go ahead and download their applications. They have lightning fast crypto trading, and overall, this is a good website. Inside their website, you want to click on the sign up button. It's right beside the login button. And once inside, you will then be prompted to enter your email address, the password for this account, confirmation for that password, country of residency, and if you have a referral code. And lastly, after filling out every necessary information, you have to go ahead and click on this checkbox. By creating an account, you agree to blockchains.com turn off services and privacy policy. And right after creating your account, you will then be taken to this page where you have to verify your email address. This step is very simple. All you need to do is to head over to the registered email address, and from there you will be able to see a blockchain email. It will go ahead and look something like this. Just go ahead and click on I confirm this is my email address, and a new page will open up where it will say that our email is verified. Heading back to the official website of blockchain.com, we can then go ahead and see that we are successfully logged into our newly created blockchain account. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.